The dining table is the heart of any home. It's where families gather for meals, friends meet for celebrations, and even work or study happens. In 2025, dining table designs are all about combining style, functionality, and timeless elegance. Wood remains the most popular choice, but the way we style, decorate, and place dining tables has evolved. In this video, I'll show you the newest dining table designs for 2025, with tips on decorating and arranging your dining space to make it look modern and inviting. 1. Wood dining table designs. Wood dining tables are timeless and versatile. In 2025, the trends focus on natural textures, clean lines, and multifunctional designs. Solid wood tables, oak, walnut, and teak are trending for their durability and warm look. Live edge tables show off the natural beauty of the wood with edges that follow the tree's shape. Mixed material tables combine wood with metal legs, glass tops, or stone accents for a modern twist. Extendable tables, perfect for small spaces that occasionally host large gatherings. Pro tip: always choose a wood finish that matches or complements your flooring and other furniture for a cohesive look. 2. Dining room layout and placement. How you position your dining table can completely change the flow of your room. Center placement. For larger rooms, place the table in the center with enough space around for easy movement. Against a wall. In smaller spaces, push the table against a wall and use benches for flexible seating. Open plan. Ensure your dining area flows naturally from the kitchen or living room for a seamless design. Pro tip: keep at least 36 inches of space around the table for chairs to move comfortably. 3. Decorating your dining table. A dining table is also a decorative centerpiece. Table runners and placemats add texture and color without cluttering the surface. Centerpieces, fresh flowers, decorative trays, or bowls of fruit work well. Candles and lighting. Candles or pendant lights above the table create a warm, inviting ambience. Seasonal decor. Rotate decor items with seasons for a fresh look all year round. Pro tip: less is more, avoid overcrowding your table. 1 or 2 statement items look more elegant than many small objects. 4. Chair and seating trends. The chairs you choose are just as important as the table itself. Mixed seating. Combine chairs and benches for a casual modern vibe. Upholstered chairs. Soft fabrics like velvet or linen add comfort and luxury. Wood and metal chairs. Simple, minimalist designs continue to trend in 2025. Matching sets vs eclectic mix. Matching chairs give uniformity, while a mix of textures adds personality. Pro tip: choose chairs with comfortable seating height, typically 18 inches from the floor, for the best dining experience. 5. 2025 trends for dining spaces. The dining area is no longer just about eating, it's a style statement. Natural and sustainable materials, wood, stone, and bamboo are preferred. Neutral colors, beige, white, soft gray, and natural wood tones dominate. Bold accents, add pops of color through chairs, lighting, or wall art. Minimalist decor, focus on clean surfaces, symmetry, and functional elegance. Pro tip: lighting is key. Pendant lights or chandeliers directly above the table define the space and create a cozy atmosphere. So there you have it, the top dining table designs and decorating ideas for 2025. From solid wood tables and live edge styles to minimalist layouts and chic decor, your dining space can be both practical and stylish. Which dining table style do you love most? Classic solid wood, live edge, or modern mixed materials? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other home interior guides for more modern design inspiration. Remember, your dining table isn't just for meals, it's the centerpiece where style, comfort, and family moments come together.